Okay, good morning traders. I just wanted to follow up my Forex video with a excuse me, a video on some indexes. As you know, the indexes work very well for trading trend following strategy, probably better than the Forex in fact. And what we're going to do is run through some of these indexes and where they are sitting right now on an hourly time frame. So obviously all the markets have been rallying over the last few days. They've broken out to new highs. In fact, the NASDAQ has broken out of this consolidation. You can see quite a big period of consolidation here, and it's, you know, these are highs going back to October last year. So it's currently being stopped by this resistance area at 2810, but it does look very promising that it will break out of that area. If it does break out of that area, I'd be taking longs, and if it breaks below this area, I'll be looking at shorts. Okay, the UK 100. In fact, I did take a long to the long side here on the gap up above this area of resistance. It doesn't look like that particular trade is doing too well at the moment, but that doesn't really matter. On the dailies, you can see again another period of consolidation, a big uptrend since November. Caught a bit of that consolidation, and it's just broken to the upside above that consolidation. So I'm really looking to keep longs on this index, the FTSE 100. So let's take a look at the hourly. So my stop loss is in a good place, just below the pivot line, and so I'm happy to leave it there for now. And let's see what happens. It's broken out, pulled back into the consolidation area, and looks like it's going to break out again. So that's great. Let's look at Wall Street. So Wall Street, I've had a trade going back to the 5th of March where I went long, and I've been long on this one for the last 221 pips. I went long again on a break of this area of resistance here, so I've added to my position, and currently my stop loss is sitting around 14303. So Wall Street looking good. Looks like the trend will keep on going. The bullish trend looks like trending up. So here we have the okay. Let's go to the next index that we will look at, the DAX. Here's another nice trade. Entered this trade back here in March, beginning of March, and it's moved up nicely. Here I'll be actually interested, if this shows a little bit of strength, I'll be interested in entering a second trade on this one and adding to my position. I'm currently sitting with a profit on this trade of 164 points, which is pretty good. So with the CAC 40, also looking very good. I've just entered a long position here, and my stop loss set just below this pivot area. It's breaking above resistance and looking good for a bullish trend to the upside. ESX 50, I've been long since this area of here, since, what is that, the 4th of March. So nice uptrend, pulled back, uptrend, consolidation, and it's broken through this consolidation area here. So looking good for some more upside on this one. In fact, I would consider entering another. Well, in fact, I have entered another long. This is a long position right here. So I entered today a second position. Yeah, just taking advantage of the strength of the markets now as they rally through through all the pairs of support and resistance. Okay, the SMI, again another strong trend, breaking to the upside. I've taken a long here this morning, and I'm currently long at sort of 7775. So that should be a good trade. It should keep on going. The ICE 30, in a period of consolidation at the moment, hasn't broken through this area. If it does break through 102.583, then I'm looking long. If it breaks below 100.730, I'd look at going short on that one. Okay, let's look at some of the commodities and gold and silver. So I'm looking at West Texas Intermediate, also in a long period of consolidation here. If you look at the daily, dropped quite a lot, found resistance at this supply area, came down, retested the supply area, took a big tumble, and it looks like it's bouncing off a base. It's creating a base here. So consolidating at the moment, the last day, and I'm looking for longs above 91.72, and that should give us quite a bit of area before it hits that supply area again, 112 pips. Also looking for shorts below this area here, 90. Okay, great. That's West Texas Intermediate. Brent's looking okay to the downside. So if it does break below this area, I would be looking at a short. You know, massive rally. Excuse me. Massive drop. It's bounced off this demand area, and looking like it's going to retest the demand area. So bit of space there. Let me take a look. Bit of space here. So yeah, 64 pips before it hits a meaningful level of support. So enough to be in profit and stop loss at break even for a free trade. Okay, on the gold and silver. Silver is again in a big period of consolidation here. It needs to break below this area here, 28.71, or above 29.07 for me to be interested in this market. Gold, again, quite a long period of consolidation for the last few days. Hasn't got really any direction at the moment. Could be breaking down on the weekly. Yeah, if it breaks this area over here, we could see a fall all the way to 1338. Let's just see how this demand area sort of holds up. And that's it for the commodities and the indexes. Have a great trading day, and remember, you can catch me at www.winatrading.com, or at let's put that in there for you. Let's put a big. Okay, you can catch me at these websites: www.winatrading.com. How's that? Okay, well, we'll just leave it like that. Looks interesting anyway. Quite creative, huh? And the other place you can catch me at is on YouTube. So my YouTube videos at Trading Now. Okay, and the third place you can catch me is at my blog, which is empowernetwork.com/someshdeswardt. Okay, have a great trading day.